Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Overstock app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Overstock app is a shopping platform that lets users browse and buy home goods like furniture, rugs, decor, and bending at discount price. It offers a wide variety of items, often with big savings compared to retail. And it also includes handy features like order tracking, switch list, and even AR preview so you can see how products looks in your space. The app is easy to navigate, secure, and gives access to exclusive deals, which make it a convenient option for bargain hunters. On the downside, Overstock has faced complaints about customer service and returns, with user reporting long wait time, inconsistent refund, and challenges when dealing with damage or cancelled order. Some customers also experience shipping delay, quality difference in product, or app glitches like flickering issues and crashes. In my opinion, the app worth it if you're looking for an affordable home goods and enjoy the savings, but not ideal if you want flawless service, fast shopping, or shipping together with a complete smooth shopping experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.